Step into the world of Newport World Resorts, the Philippines' top destination for non-stop fun, comfort, and excitement. Just across NAIA Terminal 3 in Pasay, this all-in-one hotspot has 7 premium hotels, over 3,500 rooms, and the country's largest hotel ballroom, perfect for vacations or big events. Watch amazing live shows at the Newport Performing Arts Theater, enjoy music at Bar 360, or test your luck in one of the country's most thrilling casinos. And with 70-plus dining spots, you can indulge in everything from Filipino favorites to global dishes, and don't miss the bar with the biggest whiskey collection in Manila. Explore Newport Mall for luxury brands, cool finds, and even a movie night at the cinemas. From relaxing getaways to high-energy nights, Newport World Resorts is your go-to for unforgettable moments. It's not just a resort, it's a whole new world of fun.